Welcome to Bangalore, the Silicon Valley of India, a city of innovation, progress, and environmental challenges. But amidst the chaos and concrete, something different is emerging. This is the Sujlon One Earth campus. At first glance, it might look like just another corporate headquarters, but this building holds a secret, one that could shape the future of India's city. Solar panels, water recycling system, energy efficient design. This isn't just a building, it's a statement, but it is a glimpse of India's sustainable future or well intentioned anomaly. Suzlon executives say that they want to prove the sustainable construction is possible in India, but the real question is can others follow their lead? To answer that question, we need to look a bigger picture, one that involves an ambition plan to transform India's construction industry. Entering Lead India, launched in 2007, this green building rating system aims to revolutionize how India builds. But is it working? Construction managers say that they have heard about Lead India, but implementation that's a different story. Despite over 250 projects registered under Lead India, adoption faces challenges. But what's holding developers back? Developers say that it's not just about cost, there's knowledge gap. What need more information and case studies providing the benefits of green building. But as India's city expand at breakneck speed, the stakes couldn't be higher. Environmentalists say the environmental consequence of unchecked sustainable growth could be catastrophic. Green building isn't just an option, it's a necessity. So, what could be the solution? Education is the key. IGBC representatives say that they are working to spread awareness, provide resources, and showcase success stories like Sujlon One Earth. But will it be enough? As night falls over Bangalore, the Sujlon building glows with efficient energy lightning. The question remains will it remain a lone beacon or herald a new dawn for Indian construction? Across India, other pioneers are just the movement for the ITC Green Center in Gurgaon to CII Sorabji Godrej Green Building Center in Hyderabad. Green buildings are slowly but surely making their way. The clock is ticking. Will India build green or stick to business as usual? The next few years may hold the answer. One thing is certain the choices made today will shape the India tomorrow. This is more than just a story about buildings, it's about a nation at a crossroads, facing a choice between progress and sustainability. Can India prove that the two can go hand in hand? Only time will tell. What do you think? Can green building transform India's cities? Leave your thoughts in the comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more stories on sustainable development in India.